How to view Insta story without letting them know. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. Now I have a couple of different methods that I'm going to show you guys in order to actually do this. So yeah, let's get started for the first one. So the first one is actually very easy. You have to make sure that the Instagram page is loaded. Now then what you want to do is simply turn on airplane mode. You want to back up out of Instagram, then open it up again. And now it says no internet connection. Now, once you click on the Instagram story, you can see that I am now able to view these stories. Now, I actually noticed that because I already loaded one of them, I am able to view every single one of them, which means they will still be notified or still can see that I have viewed their first story. Now, for example, the YouTube story over here, I have not clicked on any of them. And if I click on there, you can see that this one doesn't load, which is quite annoying. Same goes for that one. So this is not a 100% guarantee, especially if they have multiple stories, as you can tell, then only a couple will usually load. But let's say the person you want to view it from has only one story, then this one definitely works. But before you leave, you want to make sure to back up out of Instagram again, and you either want to delete Instagram and reinstall it, or turn off your phone completely and then turn it back on. Then make sure airplane mode is turned off, open Instagram again, or else Instagram will probably still let them know that you have viewed their story. So that is method number one. Method number two is, this is also best if they only have one story. So if I were to go to this story, and then instead of tapping like this, I can swipe, and then I can view their story just like that, without them actually seeing that I viewed it. But like I said, again, if they have multiple stories, you can only view one of them, which is a bit annoying. But this is a very great method if they have only one story and you want to view it. So yeah, just like that, easy, right? Then the third method is only if they have an open account, so this won't work with a private account, is if you go to storysaver.net. So here you have to enter a username. So let's say 433 is an account I want to view the story of. Then I can simply just put in that username, just like that. Then this will have to load a bit. I will have to do the captcha real quick. And then I would have to wait. You can now see current stories, and then you can see all their stories right here. And I can save them as photos right there. Even videos, you can save them. So let's say I would click on this one. Then I can view it, for example, and then long hold it and then save to photos. So this is a very great method, but it only works with open accounts. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time. Have a good day.